So I would share with you a very small story, the real story which I myself experienced in one of the country in Europe. And I will tell you that what is the meaning of this and what are these qualities which you have to see within yourself, whether they exist. So I remember I was frequently traveling to Italy, and there is a city called Milan. I was very frequently traveling to this particular city in my young age for business purpose and for selling certain handicraft items and handloom items from India for a company. So, friends, I used to very frequently stay in a particular hotel which was in the center of Milan, very conveniently located, and it was a reasonably good hotel. So I was very frequently going to Italy and I was staying in this hotel, and I became so used to going to that hotel that in one of the days I was traveling to Italy and I did not actually pre-book the hotel. I realized that I know those people very well and there is no problem. I can easily get a room, and I did not pre-book in one of the trip. Actually, it was a mistake, but I was feeling so comfortable with that hotel and hotel people that I thought there is no risk. And friends, I reached there at around 6:37 in the evening time and asked for a room, and the hotel refused to give the room. One of the reason the hotel said was that it is a time when some events are going on in Milan and all the hotels are booked. But I realized that after certain time of the day, generally hotel do not give you room. As a unwritten policy, they do not entertain walk-in customers after a certain time of the day, which I had never realized, and I never encountered that kind of situation, because on the other occasions I was always pre-booking the hotel. So the person on the reception told me that he cannot give you, and he also told me that it will be very difficult for me to get a room in any other hotel. And friends, it was a winter time in Europe and it was really cold, and somehow I managed to put my luggage in the cloakroom of the hotel and could take a small bag and some of the essential things I kept in that bag. And then I started looking for other hotels and the possibility of room, and I was refused by all the hotels in the vicinity, and I realized that I was really in a emergency situation. I had nowhere to go. And friends, those days it was not so easy like today, that you have the mobile applications and the different methods of finding hotel and hotel rooms. Those days those facilities were not there. Those kind of mobiles and datas were not there. So friends, I was really in limbo, and this was a very unexpected situation on a business trip, and I was now preparing myself to spend the night on some footpath in the cold winter night, and I could not really see any other outcome of that situation. And then friends, I saw that one of the outlet of McDonald's was open till late in the night. So to save myself from the cold, I went to that outlet and bought some snacks and some beverage, and I was just sitting in a really bad mood in the outlet, and I sat there for maybe 2-3 hours or just to spend my time, so that I need not really spend the night outside. And the time was coming of the closure of the outlet also. It was quite late now, and I was almost going to be on the footpath after that. And then friends, suddenly somebody approached me in the outlet, and I realized that he was an Indian person, some exporter from Moradabad, the exporter of some brass handicrafts. That fellow approached me and he asked me that if I'm in some difficulty, and I explained my difficulty, that this situation I'm facing and I have no hotel room available, and probably I'll have to spend the night outside. In the winter cold night, I'll be spending my night on the footpath somewhere. So this guy told that I need not worry, and he offered me to his hotel room. And this guy took me to his hotel room, and friends, I could very comfortably spend my night there.